Hi there. Today I want to show you one of the great features of the NIDAC Prescient DN4 access control system. This is a feature which we believe makes the DN4 unique in the access control market. The DN4 architecture is a mesh type system. What that means is that every controller on the network is a backup of every other DN4 on the network. You can have 64 DN4s plus expansion modules including lift control, door expanders and key lockers. All of this information is replicated across the Prescient network. That allows us to hot swap controllers. So if we have a unit that is playing up, we can take it out of service, replace it with a new board, and using mesh technology, configure the replacement panel in a few simple steps. Another scenario might be where there is no record of the tech or admin logins. With factory support on a multi-controller network, we can recover the system config so long as there is one viable DN4 in the system. So let's take a look at how we do that. First, we will log into the main DN4 controller. When we log in, the first thing we see is the dashboard, and if we scroll down a bit, there is a list of configured controllers. In that list, there is a controller 010106E4 that is currently offline. That is the DN4 we want to replace. If we go further down the page, there is a list of unconfigured online controllers. And the DN4 with serial 000-50658 is what we will be using to replace our offline panel with. The hot swap process is really simple. First, select the DN4 that we want to swap out and edit the controller details. We can type in a meaningful name. So in this example, we'll change offline to online and replace its serial number with that of the unconfigured controller. So in this example, we're going to replace 010106E4 with 000-50658 and save. When we go back to the dashboard, we can see that our controller 0050658 is in the configured list, and likewise 010106E4 is now unconfigured. Back in the controller page, we can see that our now swapped controller has adopted the door settings of the DN4 that it has replaced. So now, for those changes to take effect, click Deploy, and we are done.